part one is called a pattern interrupt. It's a way to interrupt the body. All this is about the body, not the mind and how it should be. So if I go into a classroom and the kids are, I walk into your house, I go into a classroom and the kids aren't paying attention, and I just go, row, row, row your boat. Okay, good, then all the kids just look for 1 to 2 seconds, that's it. Now singing songs is something that we're accustomed to in early childhood, right? So is that weird that I asked you to sing a song? Would it be weird if I asked you to go if you're happy and you know it? Okay, fine. So your expectation in your mind that you've created is that it's okay to sing songs to kids. So now let's go down the rabbit hole and see what else your mind is going to tell you. Another pattern interrupt that is a little more challenging to some people because they choose to make it challenging is accents. See, I change my voice, I do accents. I'm not sure if it's like, sometimes it's Irish, sometimes it's Scottish, and it's good. I'll say, give me my belly, and I'll do, hello everybody, I'll do like Monty Python, hello, right? Okay, so, and then the kids' auditory, you have no choice. If somebody started doing, would you like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? If someone, your kids are like, what the hell is that? I mean, right? So so ready? Does anybody here already do accents? Okay, so if you raise your hand, will you share some accents with us?
No.
Why? Because you're making up a story in your mind that if it was kids, I could do it. But I don't want to do it around these adults that I'm never ever going to see ever again in my entire life. Why is it more important? Why do we care more about adults that we never ever going to see ever again judging us, as long as, except for the fact that I only care about the people in my life that know me, and maybe they won't judge. Actually, I don't care. I mean, you've seen that, obviously. You'll see in the afternoon, I really don't care. But some people, it's more important. They don't want to act the way they truly are, unless they've had a couple of shots of something. Then they don't care. That's why we drink. That's why we do this and that. Because so we get to be who we really want to be without our mind going, they're judging you, they're looking at you. Anybody think Kevin Hart or Kate McKinnon or Melissa McCarthy or The Rock, you think they care what other people think?
No.
No. They've gotten past it. And they get to be who they are.